Homeowners in Alpine, Utah, 84004, looking to transform their bathrooms with expert craftsmanship and high-quality materials, can trust EagleRidge UT. Our team specializes in comprehensive bathroom remodeling, ensuring every detail is designed to enhance comfort, functionality, and style. From bathtubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, and vanities to custom cabinetry, tile work, waterproofing, and smart technology integration, we cover it all. Whether you want a modern, sleek bathroom or a luxurious spa-like retreat, EagleRidge Utah delivers outstanding results. Our remodeling services include design, demolition, plumbing, electrical work, ventilation upgrades, and high-end finishes. We also offer heated flooring, saunas, steam rooms, jacuzzi installations, walk-in tubs, and accessibility modifications to meet your specific needs. A well-planned bathroom renovation increases home value, enhances energy efficiency, and improves daily comfort. With our commitment to quality and efficiency, we ensure a seamless transformation within your timeline and budget. Call us today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and experience the best bathroom remodeling services in Alpine, Utah.